Hi there, welcome back to another review video. This is Panos from the Greeks, and in this one we're gonna see what Panda Payments is all about, how the training created by Mr. Islam can help you generate monthly passive income, what the pricing and the upgrades are, and we're gonna see every single detail from within the members area. First things first, Panda Payments is a training course created by Mr. Islam, as I said earlier, and you will be able to know which sites the creator uses to generate passive income every single month. I have just finished the training and I have to admit that although I am doing internet marketing for the last 6 years, I didn't know that those sites even exist, and they are such a good opportunity for you and for us to make passive income using those sites. Best part of the story is that Mr. Islam shows you the way to create your own membership site easily. This part of the training is of course a part of the first upgrade, but I will show you how you can get the upgrade at the lowest price possible in a moment. Let's just take a look at the sales page. You want to learn how to make passive monthly payments? Are you ready to finally get real results? And I can confirm that you can get real results. Those sites are working pretty well for lots of people. It is not such a magic button that will generate millions. You will have to complete the training, but this method works. I can confirm that. For the very first time, I'm sharing a really simple system that gets you passive monthly payments. You do the work only once and then get paid over and over again. You won't find any hype here, that's correct. No promises of instant results, that's also correct. Just great over-the-shoulder training showing you what actually works. I can confirm that this is not a hypey program. This is not something like a super duper logo and name and all those things that unfortunately get no results. This is a really good method. I didn't even know that those sites exist. So let's go ahead, read this before going any further. This is the story of Mr. Islam, a top 5% affiliate and top 10% vendor on Warrior Plus. Here is a demo from within the members area. Those are screenshots, payment proof from the history of the creator. And here is what you get with Panda Payments. Learn my monthly passive recurring payment system, step-by-step easy to follow videos, how to find the top sites to deliver you monthly cash, how to promote your offers using completely free traffic, that's a plus. Build your list at the same time you're making a passive income, that's also true. Drive additional profits by sending affiliate offers to your new buyers list. Your new buyers list will be created by your own membership site, and Mr. Islam shows everything on how to create those kind of websites. If I am right, Mr. Islam has over 25 sites and he is making really good profits month after month from them. You will also be getting some cool bonuses here. Bonus number 1, banking with bonuses, how to trip your results with bonus pages. Bonus number 2, 3 ways to earn 1,000 per month on YouTube. Bonus number 3, 7 steps to a successful blog. Bonus number 4, Panther profits. And bonus number 5, how to make money using Facebook Live. Those are not the only bonuses that you're getting today, because we have put together a great bonus bundle for you if you decide to pick up Panda Payments from our link. I will show you everything about our bonuses later on. So let's take a look in the Panda Payments members area. Lots of over-the-shoulder videos created by Mr. Islam. The bonuses are here. They will be delivered within the members area. The bonus is created by the vendor. You have the welcome video, the overview of Panda Payments, the main training section. I don't want to reveal everything because Mr. Islam has all the websites that he personally uses to generate passive monthly income, so I don't want to reveal everything for free. That would be unfair to the creator. The resources, conclusion, the bonuses, everything that you will need in order to go ahead and just do what Mr. Islam suggests. register on those sites, follow the simple steps and his strategy, and you will be able to generate monthly passive payments from all those sites. As I said earlier, the best part of the story is that Mr. Islam shows you how to create your own website that will generate leads. You will build an email list and you will make money at the same time. And don't worry, this is not something that only the super techie people can do. You can do it, I can do it. As I said earlier again, it is part of the first upgrade. But now that we're gonna see the pricing and the upgrades, I will show you how you can get the first upgrade at the lowest price possible. So let's take a look at the pricing and the upgrades. So the front-end training, the Panda Payments, will cost you $9.95, and you will learn how to earn recurring monthly income from several sites in the Make Money Online niche that pay out every single month. Most typical affiliate marketers have never heard of those sites. That's true, I didn't even know that those sites exist. Put in the work once and get paid over and over again. That's the good part of the story with the passive income methods. Upgrade number 1, and it's recommended, it's the Pro version. 10x your results with the Pro version. Instead of having to market multiple offers, we will show you how to create your own website from which you can market all of your offers plus build your list for free at the same time. The first upgrade costs $37, but it will be a downsell at $17, so you can pick the Pro version at $17, and the whole training actually will cost you $26.95 for both the front end and the Pro version. Again, the Pro version is something optional, but it can 10x your results, and you will learn how to build your own website, which will generate passive income month after month, and from which you will be able to build your list and make money promoting offers at the same time. Upgrade number 2, which is also recommended, and I will explain why. You get 6 super solos at the price of $67, or at a downsell price $47, and you will be able to get from Mr. Islam 6 super solo ads to all his members, to all the members of his own websites. So let's assume that you're getting just 1% click-through rate from each solo ad. If the total members are 1,600,000, then you're looking at around 160 clicks maybe from each solo ad. So if you multiply that by 6, you get over 700 clicks for just $47, and you can promote anything. You can promote affiliate offers, you can send those visitors to your own opt-in page so you can grow your email list, or you can promote your own website that you have built watching the Panda Payments Pro training. Upgrade number 3, quadruple resale rights at $97 or $67 at the downsell price. Sell Panda Payments plus 3 of the creator's previous products, Puma products, Cougar commissions, and Leopard list as your own products, and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnels. So to make things simple, you can promote those products like they are your own and keep all the profits from all those 4 funnels in your pocket. And upgrade number 4, done for you, set up at $197 or $97 at the downsell price, and you get your pro site set up. Includes a coaching session with the creator Mr. Islam, plus marketing to his own list and inclusion in his downline builders to get them guaranteed signups. As I said earlier, in the pro version of the Panda Payments Training, you will learn how to build your own website which will generate passive monthly income. But with this upgrade, you can get your site done for you by Mr. Islam's team, and you will also get a coaching session with the creator, and you will also be included in his downline builders so you can get guaranteed signups from your affiliate links. And let's check now our exclusive custom bonuses that we have created in case you decide to pick Panda Payments through our link. You can get to this page by clicking the first link in the description if you're watching this video on YouTube. So let's proceed. Bonus number 1, Kindle Kings. Kindle Kings is the complete system to make over $1,000 per week on Amazon with almost empty books. There are lots of other members that have created those low content books, and those books are selling every single day. It's the definition of passive income. Bonus number 2, Kindle Kings Elite. You get all the advanced techniques and you can outrun your competition by getting your hands on our elite training of Kindle Kings. Over 20 videos in total. You will learn every single aspect of low content publishing on Kindle. Bonus number 3, guaranteed approval to promote Kindle Kings. Promote a proven to convert an evergreen affiliate offer. Our course has produced over 2,600 sales. You will be able to promote Kindle Kings and you can earn up to $143 per sale. With the Panda Payments Training, you will learn how to build your list and make money at the same time. With this bonus number 3, you will be approved to promote Kindle Kings funnel. Bonus number 4, Wallet Case Profits, the complete system for consistent 100+ days selling custom wallet phone cases. Remember, everyone has a phone nowadays. So with this guide, you will learn how to create those wallet phone cases, how to target the correct people to sell them, where you can list your wallet phone cases to sell like hotcakes. And because we want to have you started as soon as possible, you will get done for you designs for your wallet phone cases, 100 of them, so you can list them and profit from them today. Plus all the vendor bonuses. How you can get our custom and exclusive bonus bundle? You can get them by clicking on any of those green buttons on our bonus page. I will have to tell you though that our bonus package will unfortunately expire once the timer here hits 0. Your bonuses will be automatically delivered within your Warrior Plus members area under the Access Your Purchase button as shown in the image here. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this review. Talk to you in the next video.